Ramon Ang buys into Metro Pacific Investments as per invitation of Mr. Manny Pangilinan. Ramon Ang is the President and CEO of San Miguel. Si MVP naman ang chairman ng Metro Pacific Investments. Metro Pacific Investment owns 47% of Meralco, which is responsible for 50% of the nation's electricity production. MPIC also owns 99% of Metro Pacific Tollways, 20% of Metro Pacific Health, and 52% of Maynilan and other assets. Ramon Ang was elected to the board of directors of MPIC last October 17, following his indirect investment in his capacity in Metro Pacific. This means he used his own money to buy into the company, not his company, San Miguel. Ang and Pangilinan commenced their first tollway project together a few months ago, the 72 billion 88-kilometer Cavite-Batangas Expressway and the Nasugbu-Bawan Expressway. Metro Pacific Investments or MPI has voluntarily delisted from the Philippine Stock Exchange early this month, with majority shareholders launching a tender offer to shares held by the public. Ramon Ang is now among several tycoons at the helm of Metro Pacific, which is also owned by Indonesian billionaire Salim, Manny Pangilinan of course, and T Family's GT Capital Holdings. Other large shareholders are Japanese industrial giant Mitsui and the government-owned insurance company GSIS.